Hi, Lipia here again, and this week I've been learning the hymn Here I Am, Lord, and it's in the key of C, and the chords that you need are going to be C, F, and G, and it would be nice if you could do G7, but if you cannot, that's fine too. You want to keep it simple, you can just stay with G as well. A minor, and then D minor. Okay, let's run through the first verse. Here I am is in double or quadruple time, so we'll be using our standard strum. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down. By the Lord of sea and sky, I have heard my people cry. All who dwell in dark and sin, my hand will sing. I will make the stars of night. I will make their darkness bright. Who will bear my light to them? Whom shall I send? Here I am, Lord. Is it I, Lord? I have heard you calling in the night. Here we'll go, Lord, if you lead me. I will hold your people in my heart. Now grab your song sheets and we will play through all three verses once through. By the Lord of sea and sky, I have heard my people cry. All who dwell in dark and sin, my hand will sing. I will make the stars of night. I will make the darkness bright. So that was Here I Am, Lord. It's a beautiful song. It's a little bit slightly harder to play because the chords jump around a little bit more. It's a longer song as well. So I did struggle a little bit, but I think after some practice, I think you should be able to get to play it too. Um, Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks.